2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. It's a 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. Hey, it's pool time. So this is on the third floor. Got some great terrace pool views here. Really, really love it. This is the 2800 Taylor, so we're in the deep Ellum area of Dallas, Texas. So this is what it looks like outside here. We're really close to 75 downtown, and then let's look at this pool. So the pool is actually really cool. I like it. It's probably, I don't know, 60 feet more or more. It's a really nice long pool. It does have some seats in there that you can sit in to be actually in the pool. It looks like there's 4. And then there looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seats over here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 seats here. There's a shallow area you can just kind of be in 5 inches. And then there's another really nice, oh, this is actually a really cool area over here. Fire pit area that's separated. This is very nice. So you got this here. And then you got some little private, little cozy little snuggle areas that are here too. That's really cool. You also have a courtyard area. The courtyard area is pretty snazzy. Does have some steps. You just step out on this, and this is what it looks like. It's like pretty cool. Love the feel here. Hey, I love this look, and I love the grilling station that's here too. It's very clean. By the way, I'm also noticing there's balconies with every floor, so I like seeing the balconies. I like seeing this really good. Be really great for pets. So if you have a pet here, you're gonna have a good experience with a private balcony that would almost, you could almost have it as a yard, a small yard if your dog is small. So anyway, that's what it looks like here at the pool. Hey, if you have questions about the 2800 Taylor or about uptown living or Dallas living, send me a text. Just use the number below. It's always a free service to reach out, and I can set up Zoom tours or live tours for you.